Hey guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's nail art video, Hannah will be sharing 5 gorgeous nail art designs that incorporate cutouts, also known as negative space designs.
Hi, it's Hannah. I'm really excited to share these 5 designs with you, so let's get started. First, apply a base coat to help protect your nails. For the first design, apply 2 strips of striping tape criss-crossing on the nail. Use a gold polish to cover the area near the cuticle. Then white polish to cover the tip. Remove the tape immediately before the polish dries to create clean lines. Then clean up any excess with a brush and remover. For the next design, apply 2 pieces of striping tape across the nail, leaving some space in between. Use the white polish to cover the bottom area, then remove the tape and then repeat for the top area. Now clean up any excess that got on the skin. Use the gold to create dots across the bare area. For the third design, use the white polish to draw 2 V shapes on the nail, one under the other. Fill in the top and bottom area. Use the gold polish to line the border of each V. For this design, use the gold to create a French tip. Then take the white and outline the entire tip first. Continue until you've outlined the entire nail. And for the last design, create a curve with the white polish and fill it in. Then use the gold polish to create a similar shape but reverse near the cuticle. Finally, apply a top coat to help protect your design and add a beautiful shine. So that's it for this video. If you'd like to see more videos on Cute Polish, click these boxes and click this circle here to subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week. And if you'd like to check out my personal nail channel, click this circle here. Thanks for watching!